Hey, what's up, everyone? Myself Jay, and you are watching Indian Ostomy Boy. Yes, guys, I'm a rectum cancer survivor with permanent colostomy. I have a colostomy bag from last almost 11 years, and I'm living a very decent life with even ostomy bag. So, on this channel, I upload videos related to ostomy, how we can live a very happy life with ostomy, all my experience and everything over a time, what I've learned. So I try to uh, suggest all those things to you guys. So if you are interested on all such content, then do subscribe my YouTube channel, Indian Ostomy Boy. I have a Hindi YouTube channel with a similar content, that is Jaichand Rajasthani. Go and search on YouTube, you will get similar content in Hindi language. Yes, in Hindi language. So today's video is very special because I will be talking about a very big problem, that is how we can cover our ostomy bag. Yes, and at the same time, how we can provide support to our belly. So for that, I have started manufacturing a beautiful product. Yes, guys, this is a beautiful product which I have recently started developing. This is called Ostomy Belts. Yes, this is an ostomy belt for specially for those people who are putting their bag in a vertical direction. Yes, in a vertical direction. For those people, I have these belts. These belts can be used for all the patient, basically for urostomy, for colostomy, and ileostomy. Yes, these are standard belts which I have recently started developing, manufacturing it. So look at the size and everything. Yes, guys, they are super flexible, not like the general belts or the belts which are available, which are very hard in material and you cannot wear it even for half an hour. I know, but some people are wearing it, but they are not that much comfortable. But these belt, you can wear it full day. I mean it, you can wear it full day. Yes, super flexible, stretchable, and they are washable too. Yes, even currently I am also wearing, you can see I am wearing it, and it have a chain. Yes, and in that chain you can hide your ostomy bag. Yes, it has a chain and it's a kind of a pouch. Yes, you can hide your ostomy bag. So these are the belts especially for the people who put their bag in a vertical direction. But for those people who put their bag in a horizontal direction, I have a special belt for those people also. Yes, guys, I have a special belt for those people also. Yes, you can see these belts are for the people who put their bag in a horizontal direction, especially for the people who are like doing a lot of formal dressing, or they think that they don't want to put their bag in a vertical direction because they have to in their shirt, or like they have to put their pant and everything. So they feel that putting my bag in a horizontal direction would be comfortable. So for those people to hide their ostomy bag, these horizontal ostomy belts I have designed. So yes, similar product, similar flexibility, and they are washable, they are breathable, light in weight, not like the regular hard belts which are there in the market. So guys, I know it's a very big problem, and uh, to maintain some kind of a quality in life, we should use a good kind of ostomy products, and such belts are definitely very good. It will improve the quality of life. Even in summer, if you feel like removing t-shirt or removing shirt, I think when you have such kind of a belts on your stomach, you won't feel shy because they are super stylish. Basically, they are black in color, nobody will come to know that you have even an ostomy bag. But the small thing is that these are not the belts for bathing. There is a separate thing which I will be designing for especially for bathing. Yes, these are the belts which you can use it 24/7, like doing normal task or like doing anything, but not for a bathing basically, because this is a special kind of a fabric material, flexible fabric material, but not a waterproof material. I don't want to mislead you guys. It's not a waterproof. So yeah, but you can wear it. Like even if you're going in swimming pool, if you just want to hide your stoma bag and everything, definitely you can use all these belts just to hide your stoma bags. But it will not prevent from that getting it wet. So it's not kind of that material. But surely it's a very flexible material. I think it's the best belt available in Indian market. And yes, it's a kind of a very nice and cool looking belt. So for what you're waiting, guys, the cost of this belt is 1600. Yes, 1600. And you don't have to do anything basically. You just have to give me the size detail, address detail, pay the amount, and the belt is yours. It will come directly to your house. I deliver it pan India. Yes, I deliver it pan India. And yes, so to measure the size, what you have to do is that just measure the size from here. From here, yes, this is my navel basically. From the belly part, what I'm trying to say, you measure the size from the belly part, because some people try to measure it from the waist part. The waist part is little bit down. Yes, it might be less compared to your belly. So it is important that you measure the part from the belly part. Yes. So what you are waiting for? These belts can be yours and they are super flexible. I'm not lying, guys. When you will take this, like I think more than 200 people have already purchased this belt. So I think these are super quality of a belt, and I'm 100% sure that you won't regret buying this. Yes, even after buying this. So I have given my WhatsApp details. Anyone who is interested to buy can contact me. And yeah, so there are a lot of videos I have also made. You can watch those videos also. And to get the ostomy belt, just reach out to me. Okay, any suggestion or any feedback or any question you want to ask, you are most welcome in the comment box. And yeah, more such content will be coming on this channel, Indian Ostomy Boy. Then do subscribe this YouTube channel. Yes, okay, take care, have a nice day.